In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect Stripe to AWeber using Zapier. If you're someone who frequently manages online payments and email marketing, integrating these tools can really streamline your workflow. So let's dive into the step-by-step process. First things first, you'll want to log into your Zapier account. Zapier is an amazing tool that helps you automate workflows by connecting your apps and services, and it'll be our platform of choice for this integration. Once you're logged in, you'll see a dashboard filled with all sorts of options, but for today's task, you'll be using the Create a Zap function. This is where you start building your automation, or Zap, which consists of a trigger and action that works seamlessly between your chosen apps. For the trigger app, you'll be selecting Stripe. Now, Stripe is a leading online payment processing platform that allows you to manage your transactions with ease. Within Stripe, you'll need to choose a trigger event. A trigger event is the starting point of your workflow. Essentially, when this event occurs in Stripe, something will happen in AWeber. There are a few options here. You can select from events like new payment, new customer, or checkout session completed. Choose the one that best matches your needs. With your trigger event selected, it's time to connect your Stripe account to Zapier. This is a crucial step as it allows Zapier to access the necessary data from Stripe. Once you've selected and connected the appropriate account, always make sure you test the trigger. This step is important to ensure that Zapier can successfully retrieve sample data from Stripe, confirming that your connection works. If it doesn't work right away, double-check your Stripe settings or try reconnecting the account. Having set up our trigger, the next step is to configure the action in AWeber. AWeber is a powerful email marketing tool that allows you to create email lists, manage subscribers, and send out email campaigns. For the action app, you'll select AWeber and choose an action that suits your purpose, such as Create Subscriber. This means that whenever your trigger event occurs, a new subscriber can be automatically added to your AWeber list. Now you will need to connect your AWeber account and authorize its access through Zapier. This ensures your systems can communicate with each other. Just like with Stripe, a successful connection here is key to ensuring your automation runs smoothly. Once authorized, you can test this action to see if everything checks out, and there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked Stripe to AWeber using Zapier. This integration can greatly enhance your workflow by automating tasks that would otherwise be manual. Remember, automations like these can save you a lot of time and allow you to focus on other important aspects of your business. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to our channel